I wanted to tell you about one of my favorite characters ever, Pillow Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. Have you watched the show? It's so much fun. Gabby gets to shrink down into her dollhouse and go on magical adventures with her cat friends, and Pillow Cat is one of the cutest of them all. Pillow Cat is so soft and cuddly, and she always knows how to make everyone feel calm and happy. Plus, she's really good at coming up with stories and dreams. I think that's why I love her so much. She reminds me of the way I like to make up stories about Biscuit, my dog. My favorite episode with Pillow Cat is the one called DJ Catnip Gets His Groove Back. Do you remember that one? It's so good. In the episode, DJ Catnip is feeling a little sad because he lost his confidence, and he doesn't think he can dance anymore. Gabby and her friends try to cheer him up, but nothing works, until Pillow Cat comes up with the perfect idea. She suggests that DJ Catnip take a moment to relax and imagine what it feels like to be happy and confident again. Pillow Cat calls it her dreamy relaxation time. She has this super comfy dream cloud that floats up into the air, and she invites DJ Catnip to sit on it. Then, she asks him to close his eyes and think about all the times he's danced and felt really proud of himself. I loved this part because Pillow Cat's dream cloud looked so fluffy and sparkly, like it was made out of cotton candy. And guess what? It works. DJ Catnip starts to feel better, and he remembers how much he loves to dance. Pillow Cat even makes up a little song to help him get his groove back, and it's so catchy. By the end of the episode, DJ Catnip is back on stage, spinning and dancing like the superstar he is. Everyone cheers for him, and Pillow Cat looks so proud. I think it's because she knew he could do it all along. I really love that episode because Pillow Cat shows how important it is to take a break when you're feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes, all you need is a little time to relax and remember how awesome you are. Pillow Cat is so wise like that. She's not just a cuddly pillow, she's a really great friend who helps everyone feel better. Whenever I watch Gabby's Dollhouse and see Pillow Cat, it makes me wish I had a cuddly friend like her in real life. Maybe I could even take naps on her dream cloud. That would be so fun, wouldn't it? Anyway, thanks for listening to me talk about Pillow Cat. If you haven't seen that episode yet, you really should. It's one of the best ones ever.